Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can earn passive income on your AVAX using the Trader Joe platform. I started using this platform today, actually. I had some AVAX and I thought, why not earn some passive income? At the time of shooting this video, the current APY on the landing page of Trader Joe is 9.21%. If you click here, I already opened it. It's here. You can see my balance is 1.33 and the deposit APY, meaning how much interest I earn in a year on my AVAX is 1.97%. Yeah, this of course is compounded daily, so keep that in mind. This is not APY, this is APY and not APR. And I also earn Joe rewards that is 7.34%, and that is APR. If you don't know what it is, please look it up. Another thing worth mentioning is when you deposit any funds to lend, because it's like a bank, when you have some money on your checking account or you just deposit money into your account, then what does the bank do? They just lend it out to other people. The same thing happens here. When you deposit your money, then people can borrow it. So the total amount of money deposited on this platform is, at the time of shooting this video, $132 million worth of AVAX, and the current amount that is borrowed is 42.8 million. Of course, when you want to borrow something on this platform, you need to put out a collateral. I have put 1.33 AVAX, and I can use that as collateral to borrow funds. So my collateral value is $81, meaning I can borrow a maximum of $81. So yeah, this is the land page. Of course, they have other currencies using the AVAX network. Yeah, so this is the lending APY. So meaning you just deposit, let it sit there, you do nothing, and you earn automatically that amount. Of course, you can also borrow. So yeah, you can deposit funds and use that as collateral to borrow other things like this. And as you can see, the AVAX, this one is lower compared to this one. So if I had a lot of money, I would maybe try to arbitrage this. So just depositing here and lending AVAX and again depositing, or just take this amount and put it on another network protocol, and hopefully that is more than 8%. You can do a lot of stuff. Of course, you can get USDT, transfer it to another platform, etc. Because other platforms maybe offer 10%. So there is a lot of arbitrage opportunities. But if you're like me, I only deposit approximately $120, I think. This is $120 worth of AVAX. Then it's not really worth it to do the arbitrage because it's a couple of percents per year. So it's not really worth it. Okay, so you have the land page. You also have the farm page. So you can always just deposit two kinds of tokens, these two, and then you can earn a pool APR of 12%. This, of course, is higher, but of course, you have other risk like impermanent loss. Again, if you do not know what impermanent loss is, please look it up. It can be very complicated and can take some time to really get the point. Of course, yeah, back to topic. Of course, you have a lot of different APRs if you really want to maximize your earnings, but to keep in mind a permanent loss is very important. In my opinion or my view, I find this one the safest option. Well, the safe. Of course, the website can get hacked, etc. I could lose all my money, but assuming that won't happen in the near future or when I deposit it, this one is the safest compared to the other ones because of the risk factor. Just lending one asset, you're not you don't have impermanent loss if you only have one asset. When you have two assets deposited, then you have a permanent loss. So this is the farm section. You also have a pool section. Same thing, you just deposit two kinds of tokens, and then you can earn a sweet APR. Here you can find all different kinds of coins of all kinds of pools on the Trader Joe. And if I'm not mistaken, these are, of course, how do I say this? Uh, um, they are not steady returns because if, for example, let's take this one, because this one has a very high APR. If this coin, for whatever reason, just becomes less popular, meaning it gets less traded. Less trading means it gets less. The volume decreases, meaning there are less fees generated. If there are less fees generated, then of course this APR goes down. But another way of looking at it, if this coin becomes more popular, meaning more money comes in, so it's the liquidity, and the amount of fees remains the same. If the fees remain the same, then this one always also goes down because this amount needs to be equally divided among all the liquidity holders, providers. So, so yeah, these are not a steady return. They can change rapidly. So yeah, that's it. I hope if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Oh, one thing before I forget, when you deposit, the gas fees are pretty low. I paid 65 cents. 65 cents to convert it from my to send it from my MetaMask to this to the Trader Joe platform. So yeah, and the duration was maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds. So yeah, if any questions about how, please leave a comment, and thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.